Alright, so in this video we are solving a quartic over C, so polynomial degree 4. Now you've factorised these before, so the first step is simply to factorise it by turning it into a quadratic. So I can turn it into a quadratic by letting x squared equal, I don't care, u. So if I let x squared equal u, that means that x to the 4 becomes u squared. 13x squared just becomes 13u, and the rest of it stays the same. Alright, let's solve that. I would say let's solve this by completing the square. Actually, I could solve it by completing the square, but it actually looks like it's going to factorise neatly. So 36, 9 times 4. So u, 9, 4, u. Okay. So that says u plus 9 times u plus 4 equals 0. So then I can solve for u in both cases. Therefore, u equals negative 9, or u equals negative 4. Now, of course, I'm not solving for u, I'm solving for x. So, subbing back in, therefore, x squared equals negative 9, or x squared equals negative 4. So, x equals root negative 9, and x equals root negative 4. Then we can muck around with this. X equals root 9i squared. X equals root 4i squared. All of this is plus or minus and plus or minus. So we can bring all of this out and we can say plus or minus 3i and plus or minus, the 4 comes out as 2i. So, 4 answers here. 3i, negative 3i, 2i, and negative 2i. You could have solved this by completing the square as well. If you completed the square, you would have still got u answers of negative 9 and negative 4, and then you could have worked through the same process. You could have done it using the quadratic formula from u squared plus 13 plus 36 equals 0. Again, you would have got answers of negative 9 and negative 4, and you could have worked through there. So, 3 valid methods of solving this. It's what you're comfortable with.